Congratulations on your new car purchase. We just want to go over a few things about the car, some important items that does come with 3 years of free maintenance. And Nick, can you expand on that a little bit? When is the first maintenance due?
Sure. So your first vehicle maintenance is at 12 months or 10,000 miles. And if you have any questions, your vehicle can answer it for you, because there is also a service reminder light that comes up on the display. And if you go into your center display, you can go into your car status, view appointments, and it will tell you when your next service is due. And if you have any more questions, feel free to call our service department, and we will be more than happy to answer any questions you have.
So Nick, how long should the guests expect to be here for their first maintenance?
You should be here for an hour, hour and a half, and that includes a complimentary car wash and a vacuum with every service. And on top of that, we will do a thorough inspection, and we will do any software update that's available for the vehicle at that time.
Does your vehicle typically get software updated every time that you have it maintained?
Not typically, only when it's available and on every service that's required.
Well, that's awesome. I appreciate that. So we can take care of all of your issues. We're a full service facility. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to get a hold of our team. If you have any technical questions and you want to speak to the technician, Mr. Ruggieri is available at any point in time. Just ask us and we'll see what we can do to help you out.
Hope to see you soon.